Hi, I'm Kevin Little, Southeast Field Sales for Southwire. I'd like to welcome you to the first Southwire Irby wire pulling rodeo. We're here in Mobile, Alabama. We've got the Southwire A-frame stacked, paralleled SIMpull Solution reels here. We're going up against our competitor, just the black wire. We've got teams coming in, three-man teams coming in from all over Mobile and Pensacola to compete for some cash prize money and to see really bragging rights to see who's the best, who's the quickest. We know Southwire is definitely the quickest. We've got to let these guys compete to see which team's actually the best. So we're looking for a good rodeo here, a lot of fun, a lot of food, and just a lot of good clean fun. Quite a bit of people showing up.
Yeah. We hope it's going to be easy. Anyway, we hope.
Well, you guys excited?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Think you're going to win?
Yeah.
What do you think the hardest part is going to be?
Getting the wires set.
Yeah. We got jack stands. We're going to do it off the ladder.
There you go.
Yeah, we're going to come out here and show these Mobile, Alabama boys what's up. The Florida boys are here. We're going to stomp them down. That's what we're going to do.
What do you think is going to be the hardest part?
Just cashing the check.
Right on.
We're going to have one team, Team A and Team B. You're going to be pulling against each other, okay? You're both going to be pulling the Brand X wire. We want y'all to set up these pulls like you do in the field. We want you to set up your jack stands. We want you to phase tape it. Make your pull. When you're finished with that, down here and you cross the orange thing out there, you're going to hit the start-stop button or the stop button on that end, okay? And that's going to give you your time pulling the Brand X wire. We're going to pull that material out, and then we're going to come back over here and do the same thing with the Southwire SIMpull Solutions cable. And we want to show you guys the time savings that it is using our full solutions versus our competitors. We got head-to-head heavyweight competition. On your mark, get set, go!
About that, guys. How do you feel?
I'm tired. Too hot to be out here doing this right now.
You're pulling a while right now. What do you think about it?
It sucks.
That's all we think.
You see it ain't going in the pipe. So, yeah, it sucks.
I think we need 4 guys on this job, not 3. Yeah.
You think Southwire's going to make a big difference?
Yeah, I think so.
Seen it roll down the ground earlier. It's not nowhere near as stiff and curly as that is. Just that would be a help.
This is a standard Kellen grip they tried to use through here, and didn't work. They couldn't finish the pull because the rope came loose. They didn't have the rope tied good enough. So, step 1, we're moving on to Southwire's Solutions.
Ready? Mark, set, go! with an electric in the house. What you guys think about
Southwire is definitely faster.
Southwire is the way to go.
Good deal. What y'all think about the differences?
Huge difference.
Ask these two guys, they would know better.
Yeah, I don't think I could have pulled the second one second.
No. We wouldn't have went in that order. It'd been one pull and we'd have quit.
What was y'all's time?
Total time on both pulls was 13.5 minutes. On this pull was 3.5 minutes, right?
That's right. 3.5 and 10
Yes, 10 and like a little over 10 on the first one and 3.5
on the Southwire.
On the Southwire.
What'd you think about the difference?
Great. It's definitely the product to have.
It's quicker.
We've got our SIMpull barrel here on the barrel truck. This will roll through a standard 30-inch door. What we have mocked up here is a kind of a standard electrical room, could be standard electrical room. So what you're going to be able to do is roll the SIMpull barrel through the door, right up to the rough end can, right into the conduit. Versus a standard wire caddy with 2,500 foot spools, stacking them, racking them, and pulling them. 3, 2, 1, go.
What did you mention that was the trouble?
One of the conductors got left out. Had a slight error there. We had to stop and get it in before the head was made, which is a common error.
We just pulled a bunch of wire. That was a pain in the neck, and now we're fixing to do it the good way, the easy way, the SIMpull way.
SIMpull wire barrel. 3, 2, 1, go.
Now that was a lot easier on that one. Trust me.
Talk about the difference between
Did you see me on the video? I didn't have to do anything compared before I was working my butt off. So yeah, it's worth the money.
I mean, we're pulling against time right now, but I mean, it'd be much easier to have that barrel there. You wouldn't have to worry about the spool, the wire caddy. Hey, speaks for itself.
Andrew, what do you think? The old system or the new Southwire SIMpull barrel system?
New system, definitely.
You see, you save half the time.
Everything is right here.
It's right there.
Everything's one
Comes off
one
easy.
self-contained unit.
No rolls to do with.
Not a chance of throwing you back out, picking up a spool.
Yep.
Two guys get on that, flop it down, it's ready to go.
Roll it in, peel it off, and go.
Room to room to room to room.
Awesome.
Yep.
What'd you think of the barrel?
Best damn thing I've ever seen. Makes wire pulling very easy, very easy.
results. First place, Bagby and Russell. Team number 2, please come on up. All right, number 2, H&H Electric, come on up, please. All right, number 3, Mr. Wayne Griffin. Come on up, please.
So we just finished the Irby Mobile and Irby Pensacola WirePull Rodeo, where we had 7 contractors, teams of 3, competing with SIMpull feeders and SIMpull barrels, and awarded a winner. How much did the winner win?
$1,500.
$1,500 total grand prize. But better than that, we showed the contractors, these 30 or so here, that there's a 50+% labor savings in using SIMpull Solutions versus Encore product. And everybody here seemed to be absolutely good.
Everybody's convinced. There's just no doubt using the full SIMpull Solutions. It's faster, it's easier, labor savings, ultimately it's money saving for these guys. Had a lot of project managers here that saw firsthand their crews working with competitors' product. They saw them pull the Southwire SIMpull product. Just hands down a better solution.
Made a big impact with barrels. The newer SIMpull Solution product made a big impact.
Absolutely.
It's a fantastic outing.
Great fun. Thank you, Bill.